The Bonusall Portable Washer Combo offers the convenience of a dual-function twin-tub design, allowing simultaneous washing and spinning, making laundry tasks much more efficient. With its simple and flexible operation, this washer features an intuitive control panel with separate knobs for washing and spinning, catering to different fabric types and dirt levels. Its compact and portable nature makes it ideal for small living spaces, such as apartments and dorms, and it can easily be moved and connected to a faucet without permanent installation. This washer is powered by a strong motor, delivering efficient performance and saving time with quick cycles while being more water and energy efficient compared to larger machines. The Bonusall washer includes practical features like a removable lint filter, a drain hose for easy water removal, and a cover plate to prevent imbalance during spinning. The durable and rust-resistant plastic body, along with transparent windows, ensures easy monitoring and maintenance, making it a reliable choice for regular use.